Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use magnifier in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on control center. Now here, go to more controls section and here you will see a magnifier option. So first of all, add magnifier shortcut to the control center, and to add magnifier shortcut, click on this add icon with magnifier, and now magnifier is added to control center. So to use magnifier, just swipe down and open control center and then click on this magnifier shortcut. So now the camera is opened, and to use magnifier you can zoom in or zoom out, and you can also adjust the brightness. So that's how you can use magnifier in iPhone 15 Pro Max. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.